Okay, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Wednesday, October 4th, 1923. It is 11:30 and 18 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Kuiper belt. So let's hop to it here. Large mound structures on Kuiper belt object. Aircraft may have common origin. These building blocks for this Kuiper belt object may point to key details: the streaming instability, model, the planetesimal formation. Date October 3rd, 1923. Source: Southwest Research Institute. A new study posits that the large, approximately 5 kilometer mounds that dominate the appearance of the larger lobe of the pristine Kuiper belt object aircraft are similar enough to suggest a common origin. The study suggests that these building blocks could guide further work on planetesimal formational models. It is amazing to see this object so well preserved that its shape directly reveals these details of its assembly from a set of building blocks, all very similar to one another. Aircraft geology supports the streaming instability model of planetesimal formation, where collision speeds of just a few miles per hour allow objects to gently accumulate to build aircraft in a local area of the solar nebula undergoing gravitational collapse. And similarities including the sizes and other properties of aircraft mound structures suggest new insights into its formation, for the mounds are indeed representative of the building blocks of ancient planetesimal, like aircraft and planetesimal formation. Models will need to explain the preferred size for these building blocks. There is a good chance that some of the flyby targets for NASA's Lucy mission, the Jupiter's Trojan, asteroids, and ESA's Comet Interceptor, will be other pristine planetesimals, which can contribute to the understanding of accretion of planetesimals elsewhere in the ancient solar system, and whether they differ from processes, new horizons, found in the Kuiper belt. It will be important to search for mound-like structures on the planetesimals these missions observe to see how common this phenomenon is as a further guide to planetesimal formation theories. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have an awesome day.